The winter wonderland is here. Now is the perfect time to get ready. Snow will fall and ice will freeze. Between snow forts and sled trips, prepare with a winter checkup on your vehicle. Let our factory-trained professionals inspect your heating system so you stay cozy and comfortable. We'll check the strength of your car battery to keep your vehicle reliable. And we'll inspect your tire tread or swap out your tires for optimal traction on snowy roads. So reach for your favorite warm beverage and link the rest to us. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule your appointment today.